A leading insurer deployed AI across claims, underwriting, and customer service, cutting cycle times from days to minutes. While efficiency improved, roles evolved faster than teams could adapt, exposing a growing gap between today's skills and tomorrow's demands. Talent decisions still relied on outdated job descriptions and assumptions. Emerging skills were rarely visible or measured. The insurer realized that preparing for the future required a clear, validated view of workforce skills today. With iMocha, they validated real skills using objective assessments and role-level competency mapping, replacing guesswork with data. This created a living skills inventory, showing which roles were at risk, which employees had adjacent skills for emerging roles, and where reskilling was faster and more cost-effective than hiring. The data changed the narrative. AI did not replace people, it replaced tasks. With targeted upskilling, employees transitioned into higher-value, AI-augmented work. Skills became the operating system. Talent strategies shifted toward mobility, adaptability, and continuous skill acceleration. AI disruption is not a technology challenge, it is a talent challenge. And the insurers who invest in emerging skills today will lead the industry tomorrow.